In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Amazon Prime Video. To get started, you'll need access to Prime Video. That means either an Amazon Prime membership, which includes Prime Video, or a standalone Prime Video subscription. Once you have that, open the Prime Video app on your device or visit the Prime Video website and sign in using your Amazon account. This one sign-in unlocks your library and recommendations across devices, so you can move from your phone to your TV or computer without missing a beat. If you prefer watching on a computer, it's simple, and there's no extra software to install. Open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Then go to primevideo.com. Sign in with your Amazon account, browse for a movie or TV show, select the title that interests you, and click Play. If you want a smoother experience, make sure your browser is up to date and your internet connection is stable. You can use the site's search bar or filters to quickly find genres, new releases, or your recently watched titles, and switch to full screen for a theater-like feel on your monitor. Now, let's talk about what you can watch. With Prime Video, you get a catalog of movies and TV shows that are included with your subscription, along with a growing library of exclusive originals. These are the series and films you can only find on Prime Video. You'll also see some titles that are available to rent or buy. Those are separate from what's included in your plan, and they'll be clearly labeled so you know before you press play. The exact mix of included content can vary by region and subscription level, so if something doesn't appear in your included library, that's normal. Just check the label to see whether it's rent or buy. Finally, keep device limits in mind. You can sign in to Prime Video on many devices, like phones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming sticks, but there are limits on how many streams you can watch at the same time. If you try to play a video and you're already streaming on other devices, you may see a message about reaching the limit. In that case, simply stop playback on one device and start on another. This helps ensure your shows and movies play smoothly wherever you choose to watch. That's all you need to watch Amazon Prime Video. Sign in, pick your device, choose your title, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.